Hey guys, hope you can follow along as we draw Huggy Wuggy. Let's start with the top of his head. So sort of in the middle of the page, I'm going to start with them bit of a spiky lines coming that way, and then we're going to go back the other way to form like the top of his head. So that's the top of his head. Then we're going to bring some sort of squiggly lines coming down like so. Notice it's almost like a triangle. Bring this one down like this. Now let's put his eyes on. Two big circles. 1, 2, and then another big circle and another big circle. Now he's going to be looking sort of up, so we'll put a little white dot in there and colour this in. Okay, so we've got his eyes. Now let's put this cool big smile on. It's almost like a rounded triangle. So it comes down, comes back up and back in there like so. Now this is thick, so we're going to thicken that up like so. Back up and around like that. We'll put the teeth on later. Now he's got a bit of a dance going on, so he's going to be, this is his shoulder, a bit of a bumpy line coming through there over to here like so. Bring his shoulder, bring his arm back into there. So that's his arm. Now he's got this other arm that comes up and out like this. Now he's going to have his belly area through there. And he's got his leg coming down. And his other leg comes out a bit like so. His other leg's going to come out here. Bring that down a bit further. Now I could have started him up a bit higher, but there we go. Now all I need to do is his hands, feet and teeth. So thumb, fingers. So 1 finger, 2, 3, plus a thumb. Now this hand comes around, 1, 2, 3 fingers and a thumb like so. Now we're going to draw his feet. 1, 2, 3 toes and feet like that. And 1, 2, 3 feet. And there's his feet, Huggy Wuggy's feet. Now you could use a thinner pen if you wanted to get his teeth, but his teeth are quite sharp and they're quite angled. So they sort of come back in. So anything on this side will be angling back in that way. Anything on this side will be angling back the other way. And then the same with his part of his mouth.